try to get us as close as we can. So they are extending it. It looks like they get these precast, but I heard they had to dredge a lot of this out to even get to this point. So here's the layup of a loading dock. They probably dredge out all the wet muck, get down to a competent bottom. Then they put in this 1 inch. Then they put down this geofabric. And then that, on top of that is just a 3/8. And so this acts like a drain underneath. Pretty quiet. I think we used to hang out like up here, so you really notice it. There's that old hotel and little bar that used to be right over here. Some of you may have used this facility in the past. Oh, ready lane right here. Take you guys out to the end of Las Vegas Harbor here. So this is Las Vegas Harbor. We used to just, less than a year ago, we'd all ride our boats and jet skis straight out here. And now you can't even launch a jet ski from. This is pretty marshy right here. I think I could fly the drone in this real quick. I've never even been down here. Supposedly there's still a general store and fuel. I don't know. They can't be doing too well. It says $3.96 a gallon. It's not too bad, considering in California it's like $4.29. Out of all my times here, I've never came down there. Kind of shallow right there, but it has a really good flow. So here's the old Las Vegas Bay launch ramp. Las Vegas Bay. We were at Las Vegas Harbor previously. Now we're at the Las Vegas Bay. Real fancy. It does have like a functional gas station, which is pretty crazy to me, to be honest. Looks like this came out even further, because you can see the layers where you have the native alluvium soil, and then it looks like a 6-inch or maybe a 4-inch layer of asphalt, and then just silt on top. So I was just standing on top of that. That's wild. Lake Mead is so huge. You can never, I mean, we find our favorite spots and then we just usually chill there.